there was an angry lion. And then he wanted to eat those horses, and then he went. And then the horses beat and kicked him. Ouch! Ouch! The lion said he was really hurtful. Then a wolf came. Then the wolf said, Lion, what happened? The horses kicked me and hit me on the head. Don't worry, I'll take care of this sneaky plan. Then the horses went. The wolf went. So, Horsey, you're so pretty and gold. And then the wolf came and separated. The other horses are so jealous of you because you're so beautiful. And then the wolf took the horse and separated him over here. And then he went to the next horse. Horsey, well, the other horses are so jealous of you. Why don't you? And then the wolf came and spread this horse up over here. That was a sneaky trick. Oh my goodness. Let's put this horse over here. And then we came to the next horse. Horsey, you're so beautiful. Why don't you, And then the wolf took the horse, spread him out here. And then he took the last horse. Horsey, the other horse is so jealous of you. And then the wolf grabbed the horse and spread him out this horse over here. Then he went back to tell the lion, Lion, I spread all the horses. Now you could eat them and kill them one by one. Thanks, said the lion. The lion ate the first horse up. He ate the next horse up. Wait, let me stand this one. He ate that horse, man. And then the lion was really happy that he ate all the horses. And then, oh my goodness, the lion ate all of the horses. And what is the moral of the story? United we stand, divided we fall. The end.